This is the video of my sister walking. La-di-di-doo. What? Oh, I missed. Why? Oh my gosh.
Don't. Please don't.
Okay.
You have to try and get me. Wait, there's that one.
And that's my stupid little sister. What do you want, Travis? I'm taking a video.
This is my brother.
I'm taking a video.
Did I really care about? Who's the other dude? No! Well, at least you're supposed to know. I don't know.
I'm taking a video.
Is he your friend over there?
No, not that much, though.
Please! He did it! Bye, Ethan! I'm gonna run over your brother! Bye, Ethan! I just totally looked over here.
Bye, Ethan. Ethan, bye. That's my stupid little sister running away. She scared me, and I kicked her backpack till she cried. Oh yeah. That's what I do. And that's pretty much what I do every day. Even on Saturday and Sunday. I'm walking. What?
Were you running with my camera?
Yeah. What?
What do you mean, what?